Welcome back. As mentioned before, Zapier has an entire section of event planning applications. And of those applications, one of the most popular is Eventbrite. Now, Eventbrite has a considerable number of automations, and it typically serves as the trigger for the automation. Now, Zapier has it so that you can have Eventbrite events that you create added to a Google Calendar, or Eventbrite events that you register for added to a Google Calendar. And this is just an example of the kind of automation that you can create with Eventbrite. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click Use this Zap by the registration-based automation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create this Zap. And the trigger is going to be an event I am attending. Then we'll click Continue. We'll now need to connect our Eventbrite account. And so we're going to sign up through our Eventbrite account. We're going to allow Zapier to control our Eventbrite account. Now our Eventbrite account is added. We will then test the connection. Once we verify the connection, we'll then click Save and Continue. Once we verify that we have one recent event created, we'll then click Fetch and Continue. The test is successful, so we'll then click Continue. So now what we'll do is we'll create the calendar and we'll create the event on the calendar. Once we know it's successful, we'll then click Save and Continue. We'll now select the calendar that we're going to use. We will then choose the video production calendar. We'll then click Continue. And so now we'll send the test to our Google Calendar. We'll verify the test, and then we will click Finish. And our Zap is now turned on so that every event we register for in Eventbrite will then be sent to our Google Calendar. And we can now see our event added to our calendar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.